Hey friends, and thank you so much for tuning in with me, Letitia McKinney, and welcome to Designing with Letitia McKinney. We are going to be doing this very cute, simple organizer. Now remember, everything will be in the description box down below, as well as all the different things that you can use it for. So let's get started in today's tutorial. Friends, the first thing that we're going to do is remove our top. Once we remove our top, we're going to place this aside because that's going to be the last thing that we're going to focus on. Now we're going to place our pearls right around here. I'm going to show you how we're going to do that. And I will make sure that I have the directions for you guys playing throughout the whole entire video. So let's get started, and I pray that you guys enjoy and have a blessed week.